Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Gateau Coco or coconut drop-off cake. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some dry coconut powder, which is shredded. You can use powder, granulated sugar, water, red food color, dissolve in water, and then cardamom pods. Now, if you don't want to use cardamom pods, you can definitely use vanilla extract instead. And let me take you to the stove so we can get started. To my pan, this is a non-stick pan. I'm gonna add my sugar, water, and the cardamom pod. And we're gonna let this boil. Sugar is boiling. It's been 10 minutes right now. And now slowly, or one at a time, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon at a time, the food color. You don't want this to be too dark, too light. Okay, so I think we should add some more. And now this is going to be different as a burfi. You don't need to wait to see one is string from the sugar. Now it's time to add the coconut. Just take it this way, 10 minutes. You let the sugar syrup boil, and then you add the food color, and then you can add your coconut. And now you're gonna lower the heat. And this coconut has to cook with this sugar, watery sugar. All right guys, now you can see how the coconut is looking. It's been 15 minutes on low heat. You see that? It's not dry, it's a little bit wet. And now it's time to shut the heat off. And as this is just like that, what I'm gonna do is I have a tray here lined with parchment paper. And then I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop. Easy. I'm gonna put the link down below again for the ice cream scoop. It's on Amazon. Okay. Now, just drop it. Just drop. Now the size is depend on you. And try to avoid the cardamom now. It's already did its job. We don't need this. All right. And now we're just gonna keep dropping it. Just like that. Okay guys, my Gateau Coco is ready. My drop-off coconut cake. It is very hot right now. So what you're gonna do is do not touch it, do not do anything. Let it sit as is on your table, on the tray. If you want, you can just leave it on the table for like 10 minutes and then put it back in the fridge if you're in a rush to eat them. But if you are not in a rush, just leave it as is until it's set completely, and then you can just hold it and eat it as is or put them in your bread. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.